Hello everyone, this is my second video lesson on pronunciation. And prior to continue further, let me tell you that since English is not our native language, we often make mistakes in the correct pronunciation of so many English words. Being a teacher for many years, I have found many of my students struggle with the correct pronunciation of many of the English words. And not just students, even grown-ups like us also make a lot of mistakes in the pronunciation of many English words. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 10 words that we might be mispronouncing. So the first word is recognize. So many of my former students might remember some of these words, including this word recognize, because I often stress in the class on the correct pronunciation of words in English. So recognize is not recognize, though it is CO, but the correct pronunciation is recognize. The spelling you can see both written as NISE or NIZE depending on whether it is the British version or the American version. So the correct pronunciation you need to remember is recognize and not recognize. So the second word is restaurant, restaurant and not restaurant, restaurant. And the third word is development, development, v. See, your upper incisors should touch your lower lips. Development, v, not w, not development, but development. And some even say development. It's not development, it's development. Then you might find it strange, but the correct pronunciation of the word B-U-R-Y is berry and not bury. It's berry, right? So the fifth word is singer, singer, singer and not singer. It's singer. It's not singer. Then we have strength, strength and not strength. Some people might say strength, but the correct pronunciation is strength. Strength, strength. In the same way, it's not L-E-N-G-T-H is not length, but length, length. Strength, length. Then we have T-O-M-B as tomb and not tomb or tomb. B is silent. So tomb, tomb. In the same way, W-O-M-B is womb, womb and not womb. Tomb, womb. This is a famous saying in English which reads, education starts in the womb and ends in tomb. So womb, tomb both rhyme with each other. And then finally, plumber, P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber and not plumber. Even I have been mispronouncing this word for so many years until I realized that the correct pronunciation is plumber. The B is silent. So what you need to remember is whenever you find the letter B at the end of a word, just after M, please keep in mind that B is silent. So the word like C-L-I-M-B, it's not climb, but climb. N-U-M-B, numb. So climb, numb. So in the same way, plumber. So today I have discussed 10 words and I hope you will keep these words in mind. And I'll be back soon with another group of words. Thank you for watching.